Hello again. This video will talk about planning your formal summary. But before you start, please make sure that you watch the videos about formal summary and its elements and organize a formal summary. If yes, let us get started. Again, a formal summary is a type of informative writing. It provides an objective overview of the topic and important details from an informational text. The writer credits the author, but writes primarily in their own words without including personal opinions. Since we are planning to have or to write our formal summary, of course, we have to start with our first sentence, which is the topic sentence. Previously, we talked that there are four elements of a topic sentence, and those are text types, title, author, and topic. In your sentence frame, the text type is given, which is the word article. If text type is given, we have to look for the title next. What is the title in the text that I have here? The text that I will be using for your example is Put Animal Testing to Sleep. There are two parts of this article, the pro and the con. In our example, we will just focus on the pro ones, which is written by John J. Pipin, medical doctor. So, what is the title of this article? Again, the title is Put Animal Testing to Sleep. Always remember the title is the biggest words that you can find in the article. It is made big to strike the attention of all the readers. Now that we have the text type, which is the article, the title, which is Put Animal Testing to Sleep, next we will write the author's full name. Since we are talking about topic sentence, we first have to write the full sentence, the full name of the author. And the full name is John J. Pipin. Next, we have to use the citation verbs. For the topic sentence, we can use discusses, explores, and examines. But for our example, we will use the word discusses. We use discusses or S form of the verb because John J. Pipin is only one. We have the text type, the title, the, the author, and we also provided ourselves a citation verb. So the last time that we have to look for topic sentence is the topic. The article talks about the pros of animal testing alternatives and replacement. If we say pros, it means we like it. We want to change the animal testing or stop the animal testing and use other alternatives alt- and replacements. So here now you have your topic sentence. Let me read your topic sentence. In the article titled Put Animal Testing to Sleep, John J. Pipin discusses the pros of animal testing alternatives and replacements. Good job! We have already written our topic sentence. Next, if we are done with our topic sentence, we have to write our detailed sentences. Provide at least three detailed less sentences. Always remember that we want to stop the animal testing and we want to have alternatives. So I have here the first part of the article. To give you a hint, most um, most of the important details are on the first sentence of the paragraph. So, for the first paragraph, what if you tried to start your car and you realize the key is wrong? That is just an opening statement. So, we cannot put it on our key detail. It has to be important one. It seems like a silly question, but it is a situation for researchers who use animals to study human diseases and develop drugs. This one is not important details to support also the stop of animal testing. Why? Because it just explains the opening statement. So let us look at the third paragraph. The Food and Drug Administration tells us that 92% of drugs tested safe and effective in animals fail in human trials. Do you think that is important one and supports the stop to animal testing? Definitely. So we can write it for the important detail. How are we going to write it? We will write the word first. Our first transitional word is the word first. It tells our readers that this one is your first key detail or important detail. Next, we will write the whole name again of the author, which is John Pipin or John J. Pipin. Next, we will use the citation verbs. The citation verbs that we can use for key details are notes, explains, exa- um, describes, uh, yeah, those things. So for this, since um, it is about researchers and of course, researches and it is about data, we can use the word notes. So we have here first, John J. Pipin notes that the and Drug Administration tells us that 92% of drugs tested safe and effective in animals, but fail in human trials. You have your one key detail. How about your second detail? The second detail came from the next paragraph. It says here that